Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the Facebook two-factor authentication problem. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. So usually when you try to log in and you try to go to your password, then it will show this screenshot where it says go to your authentication app and enter the code. Now, for a lot of people this is very annoying, and for a lot of people they don't even have their authentication application anymore. So when you scroll down, you can check a button that says try another way. And when you click that, it's going to show you other ways to confirm. So you can have either the Authenticator app or you can use a backup code that you have saved before. Most probably you do not have that covered before or saved. So you're going to click down below. You can see a button that says Account Recovery. So make sure to click on the Account Recovery. And then from here is going to show you other ways to confirm your own account. And you can submit a photo of your ID. So they're going to confirm that it is really you. And this is going to help remove the two-factor authentication. And so from here, once you go there, it's going to show you, we'll walk you through the few steps, enter an email address, and then upload your ID. Once you enter a proper email address, you can then choose any of the IP addresses that you would like to upload. So you can go for a passport or a driving license or a national ID card. And so from there, it can give you also more options. If you do not prefer those three and care about your privacy, then you can choose anything else. Once that is done, then you're going to just submit it, and then they're going to thank you for it, and hopefully in 24 hours they're going to reply to your email and remove that two-factor authentication, and you should be all good. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.